Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Emilio and today I'm going to show you how you can start putting audio and putting sound to your animations on Krita. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open Krita and I'm going to open this animation that I have over here and boom, now my project is open. I'm just going to play it to show you the animation, okay? And so this is the animation I have and I want to make it better. I want to put some sound. So I'm going to show you the tool that you can use to add some sound to your animations. But I have to be honest, the tool is pretty basic and it's not the best sound tool that you can find out there. So you just have to go over here to this icon and you're going to click it over here and you have only these 4 options. This is pretty much it. This is all the tool and this is it. There's no more, okay? So you're gonna go and put open audio and it's gonna give you the option and you can just go and select your audio. It has to be a WAV file or MP3, okay? If it's not a WAV file or MP3, it won't work. And now if I scroll, you can hear something, right? You can hear the sound. And that's it. If I play, I'm gonna show you. If I play, you're gonna hear the complete sound, okay? So there you go. It is like a balloon that is deflating. And that's it. That's the way you add audio to your animations. Now, you can also go and mute the audio. So basically, if you already have the audio, but you are kind of tired and you're just working on some details, and you don't want to scroll and hear the audio, just go to mute and you won't hear the audio. So there you go, that's the other option. And if you want to remove the audio, well, you just click over there and remove the audio. Another thing you can do, you have to unmute obviously and then go again, and here you can play with the volume. So if you want to have the volume up, you just put it up. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can add audio to your animations. Now I want to show you another way, obviously a different way. So the first thing we have to do is we have to render this animation. Once we are ready with the animation, just render the animation. And if you don't know how to render the animation, don't worry, because I have a video on how to do that and I'm just gonna put it over here, okay? And you can click that video and watch it. Now once you have your video render, we're just gonna close Krita. You can go to your editing software, whatever software you like to use, okay? And I'm gonna play the animation. As you can see, I render my animation, I have it over here, and now I'm going to add the sound to my animation. And the cool thing is that you can add a lot of different sounds. So I can add this one, that is the one I put on Krita, right? So I can add that one, then I can keep playing with some sounds that I have. And there you go. So this is way better. I have the hit and then I can play around with my sound. I can move it around and I can put it anywhere I want. And also maybe we can add some music too. There you go. And you can come around, cut it wherever you want. Play with the music, play with the volume, and you can do way more stuff. So for this you would need an editing program, editing software, any software you want, but a software where you can put audio and video. In this case I'm using Premiere from Adobe. It's pretty good. I like it a lot because I've been using it for a while and I think it's a pretty good way to start working on editing sounds and animation. So this is another way you can start creating your animation and start putting sound to your animation. And as you can see, Krita, if we compare Krita to Premiere, well, Krita you can only put the sound and it has to be exact match. So you can't move around the sound and it's pretty annoying because if you want to maybe try something different, well, you can't. You would need to change the audio. But in this case, we can just change the audio and maybe once you create the audio, once you have the audio perfect, now you can export your audio You could do that. You could export your audio and then put it back to Krita if you still want to do more stuff on the animation or you want to change a bit. Or you can just export your video and have the audio on your animation. Okay, so this is it. This is all the video and I hope you like it. I hope you learned something and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.